buckets were fuller and the books are heavier. I remember crying on my first day of school, never wanting to let go of my mommy. It took me some time to be comfortable with my new environment. With the help of teacher P, together with my classmates, we stepped in when they were not fun. This year we learned so many things. We learned how to read and write new words. We learned how to solve simple math problems. We learned about shapes, numbers, and the world around us. This year wasn't just about learning from books. We also learned how to be respectful. We learned how to be kind and be a good person, which matters the most. To our wonderful teachers, thank you for believing in us. Thank you for cheering for us when we did something great. You help us be smarter, braver, stronger. To my classmates, thank you for playing with me during snack time. Kinder one was more fun because of you. Congratulations to us. To our families, thank you for guiding us and helping us grow into who we are. Thank you for loving us and supporting us every single day. We love you so much. We came into Kinder one as little learners. Today we live as better readers, problem solvers, and friends. We are ready to take on the next level. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you very much, Adi, for that wonderful and inspiring message. Let us give her a well-deserved round of